This is Jason Spangler with Wagner Meters, and I had an interaction with a customer this week that just kind of got me thinking about how things have really progressed, at least in my opinion, from 2006 when I started actually doing or focusing on moisture testing in concrete slabs. And what was interesting about it was it just made me realize how over the last 9 years people have really become extremely intelligent, whether they want to or not, about concrete slab, the concrete makeup, the construction of the slab when it comes to these building projects. And I'm not just talking the general contractors and the concrete contractors like it used to be early on in 2006. Now you're hearing and talking to flooring contractors that have become more intelligent on these things. And the reason why I bring this up is because the conversation revolved around this gentleman wondering why his moisture readings were so high, and instead of just asking me just straight out why are they so high, he actually went into detail about the background of the slab. It was a 5-inch slab. He gave me the base, the rock that was underneath it, things of that nature. But the one thing that he did share with me was that on top of all that, and on top of the vapor retarder, was a 2-inch sand blotter layer. And so as we got to talking more and more about the ins and the outs, the sand blotter layer construction, when it comes to concrete slabs, American Concrete Institute's the one that usually has guidelines over how slabs are constructed. And up until about early 2000s, ACI recommended that in a lot of applications that sand blotter layer be put underneath the slab. Unfortunately, what they found out is that that's great for the slab, but it's not great for the floor covering that's going to go on top of the slab. And so since then, they have said that any slabs that are going to have low permeable membranes applied on top of them need to have the vapor retarder directly underneath the slab to ensure that you don't have any moisture that's migrating out of those areas, such as a sand blotter layer. Anyway, it was just kind of curious to talk with this customer and him to be so well versed on the overall construction of the slab and to be able to have that kind of conversation 9 years after this whole thing's really started off. So this is Jason Spangler with Wagner Meters signing off.